Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to search for an author's name using the LibrarySearch catalog. I'm going to start at the LibrarySearch catalog. To the right of the search box, there's an option labeled Advanced Search. I'm going to click on that because there's a specific filter you can select for an author's name in the Advanced Search. To the left of the search box, beneath the label Search Filters, there's a drop-down list labeled Any Field. If you're searching for an author, click on that drop-down list and select the option labeled Author Creator. Next, go to the right side of the box and use the drop-down list beneath Material Type to select the kind of material you're looking for. In this video, I'm going to show examples with books and articles, but you can search for images, audio, and video as well. For this example, I'm going to select Books. I'm going to look for books by an author named Margaret Chase Smith. In the LibrarySearch catalog, you can type in an author's name in any order, but the order you choose will get you different results. If you type in Margaret Smith, the books at the beginning of the list will include authors whose last name is Smith and authors whose middle name is Smith, Margaret Smith Court, for instance. If you type in Smith, Margaret, the books at the beginning of the list will include only authors whose last names are Smith and whose first names are Margaret. If you have any additional information like a middle name or an initial, include that in your search so that you exclude any works by a different author with a similar name. The more specific you can be at the beginning of a search, the more sure you can be that the works you find are written by the author you're interested in. I'm looking for books by Margaret Chase Smith, and since I do know her full name, I'm going to type in Smith, Margaret Chase. Next, I'm going to click the search button. I've found 51 results. The first few are by Margaret Chase Smith, but further down, some of the creators listed are the Margaret Chase Smith Library or the Margaret Chase Smith Center for Public Policy. If I want to limit the works further, I can return to the Advanced Search and select Contains Exact Phrase on the drop-down list to the right of the one labeled Author/Creator. Clicking on the search button will revise the search results so that I've found only the books written by Margaret Chase Smith herself. To find articles, the process is similar. Start with the Advanced Search. Then select Author/Creator and select Articles in the Material Type drop-down list. For this example, I'm going to type in the name Constanza Cerruti as Cerruti, Constanza. You'll notice that for some of the articles, the listed author is Maria Constanza Cerruti, and you might wonder if this is the same person. It's always a good idea to double-check, which you can do by looking up the author. In this example, Wikipedia confirms that Constanza Cerruti does have the first name Maria, so you can browse your list of articles knowing they're all written by the same author. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with the librarian using the contact information on your catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.